Hello everyone, I am Cody Molden with the Great Falls Forecast Office. Here is your weekly weather briefing for the period covering Thursday, September 16th through Wednesday, September 22nd, 2021. An active weather pattern is expected across the northern Rockies over the course of the next week. A period of strong winds and elevated fire weather conditions are expected from Friday through Saturday, with wet and cooler conditions returning for Sunday through Monday night. Here are the hazards associated with this week's weather. Feel free to pause this slide for further review. Here's the latest Drought Monitor map for Montana as of September 7th, 2021. An updated Drought Monitor will be published later today and can be viewed at the URL provided on the map. Gusty afternoon and evening winds are expected on Friday, which when combined with minimum relative humidity values falling into the teens will lead to increasing fire weather concerns. Strongest winds during the day on Friday are expected to be along the Rocky Mountain front, particularly on the eastern side of Glacier National Park. Winds will increase further into the day on Saturday, with frequent wind gusts of 35 to 45 miles per hour expected from the late morning through early evening hours. Strongest winds on Saturday are expected to be within the south to north-oriented valleys of southwest Montana and along the Rocky Mountain front. Isolated higher wind gusts are possible than what is currently forecast, especially across the aforementioned regions. These strong winds will also combine with critically low relative humidity values during the afternoon hours, which will lead to elevated to near critical fire weather conditions. Cooler and wetter conditions are then expected to overspread the northern Rockies from Sunday through Monday, with precipitation chances peaking during the morning hours on Monday across southwest and portions of central and north-central Montana. Here is the precipitation forecast for southwest through north-central Montana from Sunday through Monday night. At this time, the highest precipitation amounts are expected to be over the mountains of southwest and central Montana, with the lowest precipitation amounts along and north of the U.S. Highway 2 corridor. At this time, the heaviest precipitation period appears to be from Sunday night through Monday morning. Accumulating snow is possible for elevations above 7,000 feet across southwest and central Montana, as well as along the Continental Divide. Minor, slushy accumulations are possible on some mountain roads. Main impacts from the accumulating snow will be to those recreating in the backcountry, especially those that are not equipped for the wet and raw conditions. The latest 8 to 14 day outlook suggests equal chances for above or below normal temperatures across southwestern north central Montana. There are better chances for below normal precipitation across southwest through north central Montana. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, here are the key points that we are following over the course of the next week. For further updates, please continue to monitor our website, Twitter, and Facebook. For specific questions or reports, you can call or email our office. Have a great and safe weekend.